Hey everyone, it's July the 16th, Tuesday. We're up here on the road above RJ's Beach Resort. They're working on it. This is going to go on around the island. I was told they're making another resort here off to the right, but this is the main road that's going to continue over to Iloilo's Garden Resort. So we're on the other side of the island here. And this is the project that's being built, going to go through the island and or the coastal land here, and there'll be lots of resorts and businesses and lots of hard work. They've got a big 30-40 foot rock wall there they're making to make a bridge across there. Got a lot of heavy machinery out here, and this is a look back. We've hiked along the coast a little bit, and we're staying at RJ's Beach Resort, which is down here on the left. We'll take the road back here, but this is going to be the main road, and there'll be apparently going to be several resorts. I think there's 5 total on the other side. Lita's and MJ5 Resort. I think that's what you say. There's several. I can't remember all the names, but there will be a dozen or 2 dozen resorts on this road in the next few years. So it's very nice along the coast, kind of rocky, and water's fairly clean. It's not the bluish green champagne water you get out on the islands offshore, but it's relatively clear. So, but they've really got some heavy machinery out here, and there off to the left where you see the workers going down the hill, that's the new resort that's under construction. And as you can see straight up ahead, they got some the road paved, so this will be all concrete at some point. Here's a big spillway on the right that comes out of the mountain, catches the flow, and shoots it under the road here. And they got 3 big tunnels, about a meter or 2 meters big each one. Hey. So, because during a typhoon or really heavy rain, the water comes down through here very heavily. So, and then it goes under the road there. So that's kind of a little basin to catch it and then funnel it under the road. Back here we got all the workers. There's probably 3 or 4 dozen workers along here. Like I said, it's Tuesday, July the 16th here in the Philippines. Got a gas truck here. I think when I first come down here, there was a man living in that. I think he still lives there. You know, he looks like he's continued making. It's a nice looking little Honda. 150. Have a Honda, big truck. So he had some roosters cockfighting up in here. There was a whole level thing, and I guess that was a little hall where they would gamble or something, I assume. Hopefully I'm not saying anything wrong. The workers have kind of taken it over. So they're eating lunch and hanging out, cooling off. Maybe some of them living there even. It's got a big upper level. So we'll take this road back here, and we've got a very beautiful view of the ocean here. So across there is Negros Island out there somewhere. Can't see it. It's gets a little lighter here. There's a friendly dog. Got all their building supplies. Some gravel for the road, making concrete. Workers taking a break. It's just beautiful out through there. Them are bamboo fishing rigs, platforms where they do fishing in the early morning or late evening. Out through there, so along the coast, this RJ's Beach Resort is just around the corner on the other side of that, next to that house over there. So we're gonna come around. I've not been up here. It's the only second time I've been here. I came last week and the weekend was very busy. I highly encourage people to come during the week. There's far less activity, more workers, but a lot less people, because we came on Sunday and there was probably 200 or 300 people at the resort. It's hard to get a shelter today. There's maybe 50 or so at this point, so much better. So very heavy construction, digging, blasting rock. I don't know if they're blasting it, but a lot of mountainside, so big investment. So it's definitely gonna be a serious effort over here to make the coastline very profitable and, you know, tourist destination. So if you got an idea to do something over here, I think it'd be the time to get in before it gets overly priced and booked. So lots of open land and places to purchase at this point. It would seem so, I don't know. It's strange how things are here, so maybe a lot of it's already bought up. It doesn't seem like it, but as there's not many houses here along the coast. Little drainage ditch. They got a big wall up here. It's pretty cool. Hopefully we can get to the corner before I run out of camera a little bit. Try to keep the videos between 8 and 12-15 minutes. So, yeah. So Barotac, Viejo, Iloilo. I forget what they call this, San Francisco barangay or something, or we're near that. I thought that's so many little barangays here. It's hard to keep track of where you're at. But yeah, just really nice. Right now it's enjoyable because there's, you know, not much traffic. I suppose when they get it more developed, there'll be a lot more traffic. But right now it's just a little bit of road workers, and so it's fairly pleasant to hike. Not gonna get ran over. But it's gonna be the happening spot here near Barotac, Viejo at some point, it seems to be. Once they get it all done, it's probably gonna be a 10, 15, 20 year project. So there's another view of some of the little fishing homes and ocean there, just typical Philippines, very beautiful. Up here's the big levee, and again, this is all hand done. They machined out the thing, but that's hand stuck with rock, individual rocks and cement. You can kind of see on the edge there, so it's just amazing. Hand laid, each rock, and then cemented in, and that's a 30, 40 foot wall there of rock. So just amazing what people can still do and are doing here in the Philippines. It's quite amazing. So hopefully you can, it's capturing all this. There's the road over there to RJ's Beach Resort, so we'll probably go down over here somewhere. I think this road's not really open yet. So yeah, look down through here. Another big, so you can kind of see the individual stones there, and drops down. That's at least 60 feet to the basin there. And then the little stream that comes out of the mountain that they've made all this for. So there it is, goes up through the mountain, funnels down under the road here. So pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. That's it from Terry and Michelle. Say hey. We'll be seeing you later. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Leave you with an ocean shot. Thanks for watching.